Now today I'm on the stairs and yeah, why am I on the stairs, must you ask? I used to spend a lot of my childhood on the stairs just reading magazines or listening to music. I don't know, it's something I used to do when I was little. So yeah, let's have a nice flip through on the stairs like how I always used to. Alright, so today's flip through is the Amiga magazine, CU Amiga magazine, sorry, May 1994. The only thing I didn't do back in the day was drink tea on the stairs because, you know, if I accidentally spilled that, I'd be dead. Now, what cover discs came with this? Octomate 4. That was the last, I mean, a lot of people, including myself actually, I liked the old Octomate setup before it became Intuition. Bubble and Squeak, I played this game, but I kind of never got on with it. Bump and Burn, just recently, my friend Retrohawk did, not recently, it was quite a couple of months ago. He did a CD32 Bump and Burn. I played this on the disc version of this, and the disc version of it actually was, it took so long to load, like every screen there was like loading, loading. So when I saw it recently, I was just like, okay, this is not really that good. It's alright, but nah, it's not worth the freaking loading times. Right, Octomate. Yeah, that's the same interface which you know, had that little mouse cursor, the jumping man mouse cursor when you the dancing man when you play the mod, which I kind of find really cute. I like little things like that actually. Commodore UK have exclusively revealed to CU Amiga that they are readying an Amiga 1200 CD-ROM drive and a new A4000 tower system. Commodore UK boss David Pleasance told CU Amiga that they have the CD-ROM drive ready to ship and that it would be formally announced at the Spring European Computer Trade Show. Oh, this Free Kid magazine. Oh my goodness, the one Amiga. I've never had it, I've never read it, but there's a listing on eBay that's at a ridiculous price. Who would buy that? I don't get why it's on there. The seller, I think, is absolutely deluded. No one in their right mind is going to buy this. Come on. Who would? I freaking wouldn't. Even if I had all the money in the world, I just wouldn't buy it out of principle. It's just wrong. What's the magazine like anyway? I've never read this before. One Amiga. Why did that make me laugh? Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a printer. It looks like a tower case. It's a printer. Panasonic KXP 4400. And you see, it looks like a PC tower case. With just like a thing sticking out from its head. Ooh, sharp monitor TV. Yeah, that's the point. There was always such a thing as these TV monitor things. I heard about these in the day. What exactly is it? Because if you think about it, the Amiga, I mean, what's the difference between a decent consumer grade CRT monitor and an CRT TV? My friend had a Commodore monitor and I had a RGB TV, and they both had the same amazing quality. So I don't know what the difference exactly was. So what is with the TV monitor? So both run at 15 kilohertz. The superb sharp 14-inch monitor TV provides a real alternative to a Commodore monitor with full function, remote control, 39-channel electronic audio search tuning, digital on-screen display. All you need to know is the low price. Oh, shut up. The Sharp Monitor TV is the product for you. Complete with SCART socket and connectivity cables, and including 12. What's the difference between this and a normal CRT TV? I don't get it. What's the difference? You bastard. Oh, are you kidding me? This has very rarely happened. You Stupid freaking. Oh, no, my beautiful fat tip. Stupid freaking Walkman. So it needs, I think it needs a stupid belt. Freaking screw you. It needs to be repaired. I think the belt just went on it. So yeah, as I was saying, what the freak is the difference between this and the normal CRT? What's so special about this? What's so monetary about this? I think it's just like a CRT, normal consumer grade TV that they're trying to sell off as a TV monitor. It's just RGB signal, that's all. Completely clueless. What is this? This month, Domark releases the follow-up to the enormously popular Trivial Pursuit. Most interesting and nostalgic of all is the complete Dizzy 10-game CD featuring Dizzy game, every Dizzy game ever released. Months of interest, you're guaranteed to work your way through classics like Desert Island Dizzy, Crystal Island Dizzy, Dizzy Gillespie, I don't know how to read this. And Easy Wizzy, Let's Get Dizzy. The freaking names! The only one Dizzy which I know and I'm interested in playing is Treasure Island Dizzy. That's the only one I knew from childhood, and that's the only one that I'm gonna play for nostalgia time. I'm not really that into the other Dizzies, to be honest. The freak. CD gets naughty. Why does it get naughty? What's it doing taking off its freaking clothes? These are Colin's favorite, the naughty ones from Interactivision is about to watch out for a full review next month. Microcosm. I said that in such an Arabic accent. Microcosm. This one is CD compilations. I like that. Games and goodies. I have this. That's so kiddish. I have this. Visage computers. Freaking Nivea Visage. That's what I used to call it. You know Bubba and Sticks? I kind of liked the game Bubba and Sticks. It's just the sounds are a bit too crude. But I do like the game itself. I don't think I got past the second level. Do you know that level where you're inside this part? It's just such a puzzle. I'm just like, what the frick do you do? Donk. The frick is donk? I just read it and like, let it pass. What are you? Have you seen it all now? Mutant Journal, Biker Road. I can't bother reading the entire thing. I'll just check what donk is later on. What is this? Benefactor. I need to play this. Freaking this comes to haunt me again. One Amiga. Look at it this way. I wasn't into Backstreet Boys, but I don't know why I reminded of that song. I don't know what's with me today. Look at it this way. I want it that way. Amiga CD32, Dangerous Streets. Dangerous Streets. My friend Retro played this, streamed this once, right? Dangerous Streets of the CD32. About quite a few months back. And it just made me laugh. It just made me laugh. It was ridiculous. Dangerous freaking streets. It's like fountains peeing and all sorts happening. It was a joke. Ooh, joysticks. I never got used to this bug. This cheetah bug joystick for the Amiga Atari ST. You know, it was kind of like... I don't know, it just doesn't look very nice, first of all. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything at all. So yeah, let's continue from the bug. Hemdall too. This Hemdall keeps coming to haunt me. What is this game like? Just seems like isometric. It looks nice, but I don't know if it's a game that I'm gonna like. I'm not that much into RPGs. I'm not sure if this is freaking as RPG. I'm just randomly saying it. I know it's probably not an RPG, but might be. A beautiful side, an Amiga 1200. I'll never tire from that side. How I'd love to go into a store like that with Amigas and parts and stuff right now. What do you want? This much? Or this much? That's a stupid question, isn't it? CD32 console. CD plus FMV card is above £425. CD32 just the console? With Oscar. Oscar's like everywhere you go, it's a freaking Oscar AG. I've never played this game, but I see it everywhere. It's just like the cheapest CD32 games. CD32 games have got stupid prices, but Oscar's kind of freaking. It's the packing cover, isn't it? Oscar and that other one are the freaking diggers. Freaking Oscar. It's just, you see it everywhere. Hit squad. Budget games. I don't know, I almost put a freaking Hit Squad titles. I mean, they're the budget hits. Just to take over the entire freaking the stupid logo saying, ooh, look how cheap it is, like it's a pride thing. I don't want people to see how cheap the game is. That bug has got a lot to answer for. Ooh, a nice page. Colorful page. Full of goodies, including another freaking TV monitor that just looks like it's a TV rebranded. The freak is stupid people. And it's $239. I'm sure you can get it cheaper from Argos. What's so special about this? Is it just a freaking consumer grade TV? TV monitor, pee off. You're not freaking pulling the wool over my eyes. Don't tell me it's like all optimized and all this crap, because it's not. It's just a freaking TV. Get over it. Citizen printers. Citizen can. I don't know what's wrong with me now. I think I'm actually hungry and I've forgotten to eat. Maybe it's, you know, lack of glucose going to the brain. It's making me like giddy. This is why I don't need to drink alcohol. I'm already like this. What the freak is this? Crocodile. Snapsy. Mitsumi. Oh, I remember having those disc changers, which were kind of like this. Yeah. Those 5 CD-ROM drive. What the freak? Was it Mitsumi? I think it was Mitsumi. It had the 5 numbers on here, and it was a slot drive. Yeah, so you have 5 buttons, and you kind of like choose which one. I found that ingenious. It was just wow. It was like, how do you? There's no place to maneuver. How the frick do you get discs like, you know, on the single tray like this? Art department pro. What's up with you, lady? Why are you looking like you're freaking straining for? She's trained too hard, it ended up like this. I'm in silly mode. I'm in kiddie mode now because I'm on the stairs. Freaking plinth. I just made freaking 4 of them. For the Amigas. It's just a thing. Like 2 pieces of wood and a thing on the top. Just put them under. Writer. I need to get it working. Do you know something? One thing I've noticed here, I tried to get Final Writer going recently. Where you have to unpack the ADFs and you install it, and you cannot save or anything like this. You know, so it's a bit weird. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it probably needs a key. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. There's no freaking saving. It probably needs to be registered or something like this, which I don't know how to do. The trackball looks very Acorn Archimedes-esque. Softwood. How to attract girls? No thank you, I'm not a lesbian. Build muscles fast. No thank you, I'm not a man. What the freak? Stop telling me to do shit which I don't want to do. Okay, I'm gonna calm down now. Have some tea. This much fun going through an Amiga magazine before. I need to have some dinner after this. It's ridiculous. It's like my Amiga repairs and how to attract girls. It's like my brother's freaking men's health magazine. Some crap like this I'm reading. Big time sensuality. Okay. Gastric ulcer. What the freak is going on here? Wayne's World Pong. It's just Pong. What's so Wayne's Worldy about it? It's just green. We asked Chef. They all wrong. We shave off. What's with this magazine? What's going on here with this? Depth charge. Everything just seems. Why is there a picture of a world? We asked Chef. Oh god. PD utilities, this is gonna be clean. Guitar tuner utility. Okay. That's interesting. I must use microphone. I'm trying to distract my mind from what I've just stressed on those pages. Deli Tracker utility. I need to try Deli Tracker at some point. I need to try a lot of things. I keep saying I need to try stuff. I need Deli Tracker. I haven't tried that at all, but I've heard of it forever. Quadra Composer. Okay, what's this? Unlike most sound trackers, Quadra Composer uses a modular style of presentation. In other words, each section of the program has its own window that can be open or closed, okay, and moved around the screen at will. It's an advantage of giving you control over how the screen is laid out and seems to be popular with many users as more and more packages are turning over to this kind of system. Personally, I find it just makes the screen a lot messier. Yeah, I agree with you. I'm not keen on, I mean, I'm sure many are, but I'm not. But then looking at the state of my desk is hardly surprising. I agree with you again. Who is this writer? We seem to have, you know, a lot in common. It's a pretty good tracker with plenty of features to keep it up to date with the competition, but it's probably the interface that's going to make or break it for most people. Give it a try. I think that'll break it for me because he's right, but also it's not that visually appealing, you know. It seems kind of programmy looking. Of course, Soundtracker Pro 2 beats it for me, that is. But what is it? I mean, it's just a tracker. Yeah, it's just a tracker. But it just looks very, I mean, first of all, it's white on black. I cannot deal with white on black very well. I can deal with this. Yellow in blue on black on blue. Black on yellow and black on blue. Even more so. Like this. I can read that. Art gallery. I'm tired of kicking all those work-shy slackers around the office, so I thought I'd share this excuse for artwork with you. Call that art. With you. Could you call that art? It looks like something my pet pigeon did in the corner. How did those people manage to stay up in the air and walk along in the street at the same time? It's just amazing. Interesting hairdos. Not. It's more like ginger. I like this issue. It's funny. It's not more like Gingerbread Man rave meets play school. As for the driving, I don't know who gave this young man driving lessons, but maybe he should try looking through the windscreen this time. This type of art as a windscreen, no. It's a dangerous subliminal effect on people. After looking at this picture, I managed to invent a new type of torture involving my steel ruler, 6 plastic cartons, and some masking tape vamp. Vamp was impressed, but I don't think Tony Hogan was too happy. But at least said soon is mended, like this picture. I like this issue. Give me a good few laughs. Virus-free PD. What, you're not gonna frickin' ship it with viruses, are you? It's like, oh, we got PD. It's got some viruses on it for you, free of charge. Special offer bonus virus. Feedly's different AGA tutorial, hands-on tutorial. Evesham micros. More nice goodies. True mouse. Freaking fake mouse, what's wrong with me today? True mouse. Oh no, it's fun. Tittling. My dyslexia makes me crack up sometimes. It's more fun. Oh, it's just embossed. Nice. Another one of these stupid freaking TV monitors. This is the CRT. Ooh, I have a TV monitor because I got a card socket. Pee off, you're not fooling anyone. It's even black. Shut up. At least paint it white if you want to convince somebody, or beige if you want to convince somebody that's a freaking monitor. Oh, someone had a love putting this issue together, seriously. Painting problems. I have an Amiga 500 with 1 MB of RAM. At the present moment I have Deluxe Paint 2 and I spend hours on it. I would like to upgrade to a higher version, but I'm not sure which version should work on Amiga 500. 3 worked on 500, didn't it? Yeah, it's only 4. After 4 it became, there was 4 normal one, then it became 4 AGA. $50 top Amiga games for only $9.99 postpaid. What the freak is this? These games are not public domain, or shareware. They're all 1993 copyright title. I'm not joking. It says titles. What the freak? There, in case you don't freaking believe me. They're all 1993 copyrighted games to titles. An exclamation mark flying in the center. Adventures, puzzlers, platformer, sports. Oh, this issue's gonna kill me. Yeah, so what were they anyway? Adventures, puzzlers, platformers, sports, shoot 'em ups, beat 'em ups, etc. Some of these games were mega hits. Features software, 8 Magnolia Park. Okay, that's an address. Let's not read it with such enthusiasm. So what were these games? Did anyone buy this? I mean, it seems like an amazing deal. £10 for like 50 games. So, did anyone buy this? If you did, please comment below and say which freaking games were they. Because I'm curious now. Sounds amazing. Paradise Isle. So many of these Paradise Island discs, Paradise Desert Island, whatever. This is so many of these. It's unbelievable. Arnold Computer Supplies. Thank you, Arnold, for supplying computers. Bus Stop PD. Sound Lab. What is this? Let's see who these people are, finally. Alan Dykes. Lisa Collins. Are you the one who... I think she's the one who did that drawing, talked about that drawing. Funny lady. Andy Leaning. Tony Horgan. Yeah, he's been mentioned a few times. Well, I'm sure they all have been mentioned a few times. I just noticed these. What's this? What's going on here? Oh my god, this has been eaten! That's been eaten by freaking termites. Or whatever. I mean, thank god they're not here still. I hope they're dead by now. But this has had insects crawling into it and being eaten. Seriously, wow. That's actually fascinating to see. Let me get a close-up. But this was stored and small insects have eaten and made little tunnels while they were eating. So they've been eating the paper. Whatever these insects are. That's actually quite... It's almost like that's kind of the stuff that happens to CDs. You get... I cannot remember where. Somebody was talking about this. It happens to CDs. You get this little insects that eat through the aluminium, or they eat through the whatever the frick it, you know. I'm not sure if it's the aluminium part they eat or what, but CDs or floppy disk or something like this. Some sort of media anyway. But this happened here as well. It's like little tunnels. That's actually quite fascinating. Yeah, you can see them clearly on this page. Little tunnels that have been created. I'm actually fascinated by that. Clearly they couldn't eat chomp on this, the teeth are not strong enough. This has been chomped on. This has been like a very interesting issue. My goodness. I like the taste of Amiga, right? It's all throughout the magazine, and you noticed it now. So we've reached the end of the magazine now. This was freaking awesome. Yeah, that's funny picture lady. Thank you guys, all of you who were there, who did this issue. Thank you so much for the great laughs today. If you're watching. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I certainly freaking did. So yeah, do check out my other videos. I have project videos, which I do regularly, and gameplay, nostalgia time gameplay videos, which I need to restart again, and also chill out time videos like this. Yeah, do check out my channel and do subscribe and hit that bell icon, because I've got quite a variety of things and quite a library. It's becoming quite a library, my best videos. So anyway, thanks for your likes and your shares. Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, thanks so much for those of you who support me both on Patreon and otherwise. And yeah, I will say adios for now.